Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Siri on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. If you would like to connect it with Siri so you can start cleaning, for example, automatically by just saying it out loud to your phone, you can go to your profile, then Smart Control in the app, of course. Now find Siri Commands. And now you can add different commands. So let's click on plus, and now there are different ones available. Let's say we'll do start cleaning. And now we'll need to record the command. You can also change it to a different one. So instead of that, maybe I'll just do start cleaning, and now click on done. Okay, now let's try doing that. So whenever I open Siri, start cleaning.
Starting to clean.
Okay, done.
It has actually started my robot. I'll go back and pause it, and well, that is basically it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.